To customize watch faces on the Google Pixel Watch 3, first of all, you will have to click and hold with your finger on the watch face, and now select watch face that you want to customize. So I'm gonna do this with the abstract watch face, and we have to click on this icon. Right now, first of all, you can pick the different colors. So we can click here, and if you want to change color of the font, you can do this right here. And when you scroll to the left side, you can actually find some other options. So right here, I can add the numerals into this watch face. On the different watch faces, you can actually get even more customization options. And right here, I can add some complications. Let's say that I want to add, for example, what we can add here? Maybe the heart rate. Then I can slide to the left side and I can even show the seconds. And if I want to finish, I have to click on this button and take a look. That's how you can actually do this with every watch face on the Google Pixel Watch 3. Thanks for watching.